Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can have two accounts in Monopoly Go. The process is slightly long and a little bit complicated, but if you just follow my steps, then I will show you how. So I'm going to be showing you how on an iPhone. So you can have two Monopoly Go accounts, but you do need to have two separate Facebook accounts. You cannot have two Monopoly Go accounts connected to just the one Facebook account. You need two separate Facebook accounts. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to press the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. We're then going to press the settings button, and then we're going to press the green connect account button here. So what we're going to need to do is going to need to disconnect this account with our Facebook account. So you would then press the blue button that says disconnect, and then you would have disconnected your account. So then what we're going to do is go to settings and delete the app. So I'll just show you how to do that. Okay, so here we are in settings. So we're going to press general, and then we're going to press iPhone storage, and then we are going to find the Monopoly Go app. See, here we go, we have now found it. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the blue offload app button, and then we're going to press the red delete app button. And then what you need to do is you need to log out of your Facebook account connected with this old Monopoly Go, and then you need to log in to the new Facebook app that you want to connect your new Monopoly Go to. So what you can do is, so you log into Facebook, log in, and then you can then re-download, so you can then go back to the App Store, download the Monopoly Go app, and then it will connect to your new Facebook. Like I say, the process can be a little bit long and stuff, but trust me, it does work. Any questions, please drop them below, and I'll try and help you out as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, we really appreciate it. It really helps out our channel. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.